3 minutes.
They're gonna do a whistle blow here, and they're gonna do the whistle blow somewhat up there too.
They can't come up here for some reason.
They just being slow.
And the Port Huron's on the sawmill. They had that whistle on it shined up in North Carolina. Alright guys. Almost lunchtime. Lunchtime. Hour 59.
Blowing up there too. He started it up there, and then Ireland's got to do it.
Free time. I think the Shenandoah Valley Super Frick was blowing back there. That's what they nicknamed our club's frick is Super Frick. I think they're still waiting for people to line up.
I heard the siren in Berryville going on.
Oh, it fixed it?
Yeah, I just heard it. It's going off now.
Oh, they fixed it. Finally. Finally. They got a siren going off.
Well, you can barely hear it from here, but it's going off in Berryville.
There's Steve Giles frick.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
The siren?
Yeah, that's a federal signal. SDH-12 is what it is.
It's a small one.
It's a SDH.
It's about that tall.
Yeah.
But it's got the cone-shaped angles on it.
If the big league folks down there can hear me, you go ahead and start off the parade, please.
Aaron Benedict's gonna lead it off, maybe. Come on.
Come on!
Come on. I got their attention. I was like, come on.
Here comes Steve Jobs. Double brick.
Hannah.
Hannah's coming the wrong way. Hannah's coming the wrong way.
Same with the Club's Frick. Their Super Frick's coming the wrong way.
Aaron's got to get the case one a little faster than that.
That's pretty slow. I think the Huber's coming the wrong way. But the John Deere's cut off the rest. They cut off the club engines. I remember Aaron's engine plowing, 2 years ago? Got the whole family on board. There's Dave, he's driving.
Yeah.
They've just barely let them keep coming. Now here's the Island family.
Yeah.
Number 2.
He gonna go both ways. Dave's got some help.
Dave's got some help. Yeah, he's got help. He got the whole crew on board.
Hey!
Hey.
I like the green on the engine there.
And don't want to forget Buddy Hill's Port Huron in there.
I like the green on the Huber.
Obviously, it's worn off since it's been in the barn for so many years. It was in a barn in Pennsylvania, and then it moved it to North Carolina. Super freaky. 22, I think 22 horsepower. Built in the 20s. Obviously, they still got the Huber plant still, museum and stuff still open.
Yeah, Ohio, I saw that.
Yeah. Just like the Frick Museum still open.
He's got it chuffing. Here go chuffing.
He's steering and Roger's on the. He put Roger to work. No, it's got it on the club's whistles on the Frick. That's the whistle he put on there. That's on there.
Neat little paint job.
Dave wanted to keep it original, he said. Yeah, that engine had a new boiler put on it. Charles Hessler used to own it, and they purchased it from him. That's Dave's wife, too. She's on board. She's represented Somerset Group. Port Huron with the shiny whistle. Got the whole Somerset crew on that one. And then there's the Ireland family's tractors. Where's the feature tractor? We gotta get some feature tractors in here.
You only got a couple.
They need a Caterpillar is what they need. Oh, there we go. There's a Caterpillar. I was getting ready to say. Yeah, I know about it. I know the stack's way in the back instead of the front.
Is it Oliver? Fleet tractor.
Oliver Fleet tractor.
Meaning a different color.
And then that little girl in her Mustang. She had the Mustang last year for the Oddballs and Orphans.
About North Carolina.
Yeah, that's because it came out of a barn in North Carolina.
That's where Dave found it?
Yes. He traded a few hit-miss engines for it. And then that engine went to North Carolina to get its whistle all shined up. They went to Carthage. They took it all the way to Carthage, where they took it. Mustang over there that could be in the tree.
That's an aircraft tutor.
I'm guessing they wetted the track last night, I'm guessing. That Mustang's a bumpy ride. That's bumpy.
You use the smooth side.
Get off the bumpy side.
Her mom said, get in the smooth side.
Stay out of the bumpy side. Yeah, that was one of the main. Mr. Randy and his all his Chalmers. And then there was the case with the cab.
Come $1 later.
There's a Johnny.
John Deere 317.
Yeah.
Set up for snowplow.
He's got a snowplow on it.
That's a diesel guy.
He's out of Port Royal, Virginia. I'm not too far. And there's the John Deere. The cab's case. I got the big Caterpillar coming out of there. I don't know what's going on with the port you're on, but it's must be too many people.
Nah, they probably let it sit and cool down for a minute. They got to put it back on the sawmill, probably.
Yeah. Mr. Randy.
That's a small one.
Yeah, he's got a small one, Mr. Randy.
Randy Pickett.
He's going as fast as he can go. That John Deere crawler. It's all about what, almost 30 minutes.
You started at 3 minutes early, so.
He was putting the plow up on that one. Oh, he stopped. Brave, buddy. There we go. Billy Sanders. I think that's the same guy that has the other one. He left that one at home this time. style D and there's an unstyled D. I don't know if that's a style or unstyled. I think that's a D though. That's, and then the old Chalmers is an original shape. That's a WD. Just barely see that in the WD. That's a Model G, actually.
See, told you. Trying to get y'all between a D and a G.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how you can tell between a D and a G. I just go.
They got an ornament coming out at Christmas. I went to the Hallmark store last night when I got here.
Yeah.
And it's a John Deere 720 ornament for a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to